Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to easily add bullet points in Google Sheets. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Google Sheets, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. In Google Sheets, you cannot directly add bullet points like you would in a word processor or presentation software. But of course, we can achieve similar effect by using custom number format or by inserting special characters. And one of the best way for you to do it is go to the cells that you are currently working on. For example, I'm going to insert one column to the left. All right, I'm going to make it this one a little bit smaller. Not this one, because we just want to create the bullet points. Now here, I want you to enter the put in this text, equal signs, and then of course type in character or char, char, and then the number that's going to be 9679. All right, and press enter. Now if that happens, there's going to be something wrong here. I'll put in this one. There you go. That's going to be the table number, and press enter. You see, you can manually copy each one of these and paste it here, or drag this cross arrow here until where you wanted to put the bullet points. All right. Now, alternatively, if you can't do it on your Google Sheets, you might want to go to the cool symbols and fonts, and obviously this is going to be a third-party application where you just select the bullet. This one, degree sign, copy, insert to board. So there's a lot that you can choose from here. But if you can't find the bullet points, just press Ctrl plus F and maybe let's type in bullet. There you go. That's going to be an alt code. All right. And after you're happy with that, all you're going to do is maybe this one for now. Just one. I'm gonna copy this one. All right, now you can paste it anywhere, especially with your Google Sheets. Now I'm gonna put it another column here, or let me just delete this entire thing here. Paste it. There you go. And again, you can simply copy this to the entire row, or you can simply drag this. You see the link has been here. If you wanted to get more of the cool emojis, just go to their website. All right, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.